Self-management workshops are free classes for all Vermonters facing long-term health problems, such as managing pain, losing weight, and quitting smoking. Led by health experts who have faced similar health challenges, these workshops can help participants make big improvements in their health and overall well-being. There are 7 self-management workshops to choose from, focusing specifically on the health challenges faced by living with these long-term health conditions. Workshop topics include quit smoking, high blood pressure and hypertension, chronic pain management, chronic disease management, diabetes prevention, diabetes management, and emotional wellness. In the Quit Smoking workshop, join others looking for support and motivation to become and stay tobacco-free. Quitting is hard, but quitting with the support of counseling and medication can greatly increase your chances of success. Participants are eligible for free nicotine replacement. By learning to eat healthier and build healthy daily habits, the High Blood Pressure Management Workshop can help participants take charge and lower their blood pressure. This workshop reviews the basics of controlling blood pressure and encourages participants to reduce stress, stay motivated, and get more physically active. Those living with long-lasting pain from an injury, surgery, or health condition may face many struggles such as trouble sleeping, depression, and isolation. This 6-week workshop encourages participants to become an active partner in their health and take steps to live a healthier, more productive, and more enjoyable life. The Chronic Disease Management Workshop supports those living with long-term health conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, asthma, depression, and cancer to live a better, more fulfilling life. Through action planning, healthy living choices, and balancing emotional challenges, participants can help to prevent further health complications. 1 in 3 Americans are considered pre-diabetic, but knowing the risk gives you the chance to take charge of your health. The Diabetes Prevention Workshop gives participants tools to help reduce the risk of diabetes by more than half. Diabetes affects more than 100 million Americans. Those living with diabetes can use this workshop to learn to manage health concerns through blood pressure monitoring, nutrition guidance, stress management, and health planning. Physical and mental health are strongly connected. Those living with depression, anxiety, stress, and other mental health challenges can live a healthier life by learning to manage emotions and build more peace and enjoyment into their daily life. You can find more workshop and registration information at www.myhealthyvt.org. These workshops are offered through Blueprint for Health and the Vermont Department of Health and offered locally by the Community Health Team at Rutland Regional Medical Center.